it is broken right here. We will try to get this open so that we can get to its inner workings. We will heat up the plastic so that we pry it open. Oh, we have it. Okay, so this is the switch. As you can see, it's broken. My soldering gun is heated up, and we will disconnect. Try to disconnect the wire. Is this too easy? Another thing we'll disconnect is this one. The switch out of the way so that we don't burn the switch. And disconnect. Now, we need to figure out which is the positive one. Normally it's written on the wire. Normally on the wire, the one with the longer line is the positive. We'll strip that. We twist the wires so that they don't sprawl out everywhere. And now we just connect everything back how it was, with the positive going through the switch. To help me out with the soldering, some solder. Double tip. Okay, now that the wire's pre-tinned, we look for the positive, which is this one right here. The positive will go through the switch. There's no better way for me to do this. Perfect solder. I think that might have been the most perfect solder I've ever done in my life. Now we need to look for the other one, the negative. We kind of somehow spread them out a little bit more so that I have clear working space. The switch can stay there. And I guess you join it up just like that. There. Now that all the wires have been soldered up, before we actually put everything back together, it's a good idea to test it to see if it works. Just be careful because it's just a bunch of exposed wires. And it works. Just like that. Very simple to do. Now we put everything back together how it was. We will take this back plate. That shouldn't come off. And I don't want to hot glue anything. Reason because still works. Reason because just in case I have to do this again. And it works, just like that. A very simple task to do.